In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this device. First, you need to open Play Store to download this free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio Developer. Then exit Play Store. You don't have to open LaunchOS just yet. Click on Settings, scroll and tap on App Management. Then click on Default Apps. Select Home App here and tap on Launcher Pro. Then wait, hit Allow All and wait again. As you can see, Apple layout was successfully applied on my Android. If you wish to make any changes, just enter Launcher app and check out all of those. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, go back to the same section in your settings and click on INFINIX One. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!